Hi, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with technology. Now, my favorite program of all times is Ableton Live. I've been using it over 20 years. And the biggest thing that's frustrated me is the time it takes when you've got a big sample library to find that sample that you want. And I just checked on the size of my sample library. It's over 300 gig. It has 45,000 folders with a total of 1,184,914 files or samples. And so when I search them, I can get quite frustrated. So let me show you one thing that has changed my life and has probably saved me hours, days, even weeks of time to find the sample I want. So I'm in Ableton here, as you can see. So normally what we do is go to the sample library. There it is. And you can see there is quite a few in it. So I want to search trumpet. And let's go into the drum and bass folder. And then we get more folders. So let's go to this next one down. And then next one, loop master samples, disco house, jazz sessions, WAV loops. And there is a sample. Honestly, that takes too long. Let's do another. Let's say I wanted to search for, I don't know, let's try string. Okay, and let's kind of drum and bass this time. Let's randomly try Origin Series, Promo, Lounge, Chill Out, WAV Loops. There is one. Now that takes forever. So here's a little thing I discovered. There's strings, and if I just press on my keyboard Control F, up come all the strings in my sample library. Nice. Even the MIDI library as well. And I'm just scrolling down randomly, stop at one. So let's go back to that trumpet that we had. T-R-U-M-P-E, trumpet. There we go. Oops, trumpet. Bit of a Freudian slip. For samples, trumpet. Okay, there we go again. Right, Control and F. There they are. So that speeds up, load up time, speeds you getting into all the samples and being able to throw one in when you like it as quickly as that. Now that's saved me a huge amount of time. I'm passing it on because that's going to change my life. I hope it changes yours. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I kept it short and sweet. If you like it and want some more top tips about Ableton Live, please like and subscribe. Until the next time, keep making music.